Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our 16th chapter, that is the coal and petroleum. In the before video already we have studied about that natural gases, how it is all over India and how we are utilizing and what are the fossil fuels, what are that percentage of people are you are using that percentage of that you are utilizing that fossil fuels in all over the India and all over the world. Already we have discussed in the last video. But students, today we are going to discuss about that problems of overutilization. What the problems will happen if we will use the more fossil fuels? What is that? What will happen that in the future generation? What will happen that day to day our life? That we are going to discuss in this video. So problems of overutilization means, friends, suppose you know very well it is one non-renewable source of energy. The fossil fuels is the non-renewable source of energy. That means we cannot replenish, we cannot make it very soon. How much we are using, how much you are utilizing, what is that period, how much time you are taking for that utilizing or consumption about that by automobiles, by industries, by different way. That much time, it is very not that much time, or that is more times needs to make it. Okay, so that is the things is comparing to the utilization and making it is so far different. So that is the one first problem. Second thing, so you know very well nowadays day by day the population of the world is very vigorously it is increasing. Yes, so you know very well that populations of the world is increasing very vigorously. So by that way, what will happen? For them needs the clothes, for them needs that foods, for them needs that medicine, for them all that required items are needs that to them. So for that to fulfill their needs, it depends upon that industries, it depends upon that transportation purposes, vehicles, automobiles, so that they are which are run by that fossil fuels. So it requires that large amount of fossil fuels. Okay, so how much needs, how much we want to utilize, that much are not making per day. Okay, so it is very difficult, it is very problems it will come in the future life and future generation. At the end of that they won't get maybe petrol if we utilize like this way. So overutilization should avoid, and whatever happen, what is the problem will come, that we are discussing in this video. Okay, so let us discuss, friends, what is that problems of overutilization by this. The problem associated with it, the overutilization of the fossil fuel has been summarized below. Some points I have written, friends, and that points we have discussed what are that if you will overutilization if you do, what is the problems will come. The rate of utilization is much faster than the rate of their formation. How much times needs to that make that one, suppose 1 liter petrol, that 1 liter petrol for spending or utilizing for very less compare time. Okay, if you compare to the formation of the time and a utilization time, the utilization time is very less than compared to the making of the petrol or the fossil fuels the time. All countries, second, all countries of the world do not have the equal reservoir of fuels. Suppose if you will see that India and Iran, the large amount of petrols are reservoir in that Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, okay, and America, China. These countries they have that more fossil fuels. But although India have also some coals are there, but we are depending upon that petrol. So whenever we are depending upon the petrol, the different countries are having the different things. So they are all interdependents are there. So by that way, what happening? We need that petrol. So they want also suppose if they want to coal. So different way we are utilizing. So by that way, what India populations are day by day increasing, they needs that what petrol. So we are depending upon the other countries. So that's the over problems that will come by that fossil fuels. We have to see 70% of the world problems petroleums reservoir are situated in the Middle East, that is Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and Iran and Iraq. These four countries you have to see that Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, Iran and Iraq. These four countries in the situated in the middlemost of the country, middle east of the country, east, and 70% of the world total that it was conserved, it was reserved. That means everywhere we will get that petrol. How like we are digging means we are getting that water in our surroundings. Same like Saudi Arabia or Iraq or Kuwait or Iran. Anywhere if you dig just you will get that petrol. Okay, so almost all 70% of that world their petrol reserves are in that four countries. With that also some countries like America, USA, Canada, Siberia, China, Russia also have larger oil reserves. But so that these countries also have that also had a petrol reserve. Okay students, so now the extraction of processing and utilization of fossil fuels polluted air, water and soil. The extraction and processing and utilization, these three. How to extract that fuels? Whenever we are extracting that, it is more than liquid. That water bodies are all are that polluting in that area. Second time salt the processing time, whenever refineries we are doing at that time also it is polluting the air, and whenever also we are utilizing doing that time also it is polluting the environment. So it is also very over inflation whenever you should do, then it will harm for the environment, harm for the human bodies, for the others. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about that students. So on the website I have written that fossil fuels, how it is and how what are the types and how it is different distillations by that fractions we have to discuss. So first of all, the fossil fuels are the three types. One is solid fuels, liquid fuels and gaseous fuels. Three ways we are getting the fossil fuels. Okay, one is a solid fuels, that is the example of coal, and liquid fuel, that is the petroleum or heavy oil, and gaseous oil, the natural gas. And this coal is content that whenever the distillations you will do that by the absences of air, if you will do heat, then what will get? We will get the coke, coal tar and coal gas will get. This is the different terms. That means these are all are derived from the coal only by the distillation method. Okay. And next after petroleum, petrol, diesel, kerosene, naphthalene, all the things are which are getting from the petroleum by that refineries or by that our destructive distillations methods. Whenever according to their fractions methods, we can get by that different boiling points that we can get after heating. Then after we make that it is cool. Next heavy oil is one of that, and next one is the gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel is the natural gases, that is the compressed natural gases which we are using in that our automobiles or vehicles. Okay students, the whole about that what is that over utilization of the fossil fuels. If you will do that, suppose some members in that whenever the traffic time we are not stopping that our vehicles, that means unnecessary we are misusing that petrol. So you should not do like that. And because we have to save that petrol and we have to conserve the petrol for that our future generation. Okay students, thank you all of you, have a nice day.